Hey there tech enthusiasts! Today we have a common problem that some of you might encounter when trying to install a second NVMe SSD in an ASRock X370 killer SLIC motherboard. The issue arises with the hex-shaped standoff included in the second M.2 slot. It can be a bit confusing if you're not familiar with it. But fret not, we got the solution for you. In order to tackle this problem, you'll need to get your hands on another flathead M.2 2.5 screw. It's essential to ensure that the screw you choose has the right specifications to fit securely in place without causing any damage. Take note that the user manual does not specify the exact length required, so make sure to measure the supplied screw to guide you in selecting the appropriate replacement. Now, onto the solution. The hex standoff serves a specific purpose, allowing you to adjust its position for different lengths of SSDs. Refer to section 2.9 of the manual for detailed instructions on how to maneuver the standoff effectively. Remember to fasten it gently, and if you're concerned about it loosening over time, spoiler alert, it won't. A tiny drop of Loctite 222 thread locker can provide extra security. To wrap things up, always double-check the compatibility of the screw before installation to avoid any mishaps. We hope this solution has cleared up any confusion you may have had regarding the hex-shaped standoff in the second M.2 slot of your ASRock X370 killer SLIC motherboard. And with that, we bid you farewell. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech-related jokes you might have. Happy building!